Hi, Steve Nathan, co-founder here at Time Hub. I wanted to quickly show you how fast and simple it is for your visitors to check into your business. Using their smartphone, they simply open their camera, or they can use their browser and type in a URL, but this camera is faster. They open the camera on their phone, they scan your unique QR code, which identifies your business, and MyVisitorLog will automatically log them in. Once they're in, then they have the ability to do a number of things. So obviously we need to know who they are. So we would ask them their email address, name and phone number. Now, if they've visited before, the system will remember this data, so they don't need to enter it a second time. If you are asking them who they work for, this is optional. So you can ask the visitor who they're working for. So if I type in ABC, so ABC Company is who I'm working for. You can also ask them who they're visiting, again, optionally. You don't have to do this, but if you want to, then you can say, okay, I'm visiting John Davey. You have the ability then to present some health and safety information, which is user definable. You can ask them a number of key questions. So there are 5 tick box questions that you can ask and 5 text questions. So you can ask them if they've been tested for COVID, or if do they agree to your health and safety policy, whatever you wish. Then there's 5 text questions, as I said. So what's the purpose of the meeting, or some other text question that you want to ask them. So I can put in it's a meeting, and I simply check in. Once I'm checked in, then it'll just sit there waiting for me to check back out again. So if I just quickly jump over into the management portal. So on this side, you can see the management portal. So the information that we're capturing is real time. So I can immediately see who's on site at any time from any device. So I can see that Steve Smith is on site. If I wanted to look at that on a smartphone, I'll simply just minimize that down quickly. So this is what it would look like if I was viewing the data on my smartphone. So as you can see, I can see the same information. I have the ability to visit this page here and see instantly who's on site. So if there's an evacuation or some other such thing, I can see straight away who's still on site. I can also, I'll just maximize that again quickly. I've also got my full visitor log in here, so I can see who's visited, the date they visited, what time they arrived, what time they left, who they were from, who they visited. If I need to, I can drill in and actually view the information live on, again, on my phone or on my PC as to what answers the visitor gave. So here I can see that this person, Steve Smith from ABC Company, with that contact details, was visiting John Davey for a meeting. They agreed to the policy. They haven't been sick, and I can see the date and time they arrived. So all of this is visible instantly on your phone or on your PC or any device at any time. There's a lot of other functionality in here which I will talk to you about in a future video, but this is just to show you how quick and easy it is for visitors to check in. Now, if I went back to my phone and I went back in and I checked out, just to show you that quickly, and I can close it now, and then I'm finished using the app. If I go back into my who's on site list, you'll see that there is no one on site because Steve's checked out. List, I can see that Steve Smith came in at 9:24 and left at 9. Just easy. The setup is very fast for the management portal, and using the visitor's phone means that there's nothing to install for anybody because it's all browser based. So hopefully that gives you a quick overview of how it all fits together.